Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Circle for sending and receiving crypto, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Circle app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. Once opened, sign into your existing account or create a new one. To create a new account, follow the prompt and enter your email address. You will receive a verification email to confirm your address. Check your email and click the verification link. Return to the Circle app and complete your. Now, let's add a payment method. Tap on the settings icon, then select Payment Methods. Choose Add Payment Method. You can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details and verify your account. Once your payment method is linked, you can start sending or receiving crypto. To send crypto, tap on the Send button on the home screen. Enter the recipient's wallet address or select from your contacts. Type in the amount of crypto you wish to send. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, tap Send. You may be asked to confirm the transaction with your security credentials. After confirmation, your transaction will be processed. To receive crypto, tap on the Receive button on the home screen. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You will see a wallet address and a QR code. Share this address or QR code with the sender. After the sender completes the transaction, you will be notified in the app. You can track the transaction status from your account dashboard. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending or receiving funds. For additional support, visit Circle's Help Center. Remember to practice good security measures for your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.